discuss a test week is about refrigeration. You know what is the fridge? Why you use fridge?
To store the vegetables and milk.
Okay. To store the vegetables and milk. These are called perishable items. We have two things. One is perishable and non-perishable. What is meant by perishable? Perishable is nothing but when you take the material from the farmland or the vegetables from the farmland, it attracts all the atmospheric temperature and it starts decaying itself. Okay, because of microbes. That is why we have to safeguard the vegetables with the temperature. For that we need a closed space. That closed space is nothing but a fridge, right? So we use copper tubes mostly in the condenser and all the materials in the refrigeration industry. Do you know why we are using copper tube?
So because it have more thermal conductivity.
It has more thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is higher when compared to other rare earth elements, right? So basically, what is the function of refrigerant in this system, and what type of refrigerant we are using, and how we are cooling. Actually, there are several types of cooling. One is air cooling, water cooling. When you go to milk supplying agents, they will have a huge cooling tower at the outlet of the big plant, right? So that is different. That is water cooling. Here we use air cooling. So refrigeration system works with vapor compression refrigeration system. So we have vapor absorption refrigeration system. We have vapor compression refrigeration system. So actually, liquid compressor, we have a compressor here. It is closed, right? You have all seen compressor over in the other experiment there. So it is open. Compressor is open, and we can see how it runs. The motor as well as the compressor both are closed. This is called hermetically sealed. Hermetically sealed. The oil which is inside the compressor is sealed so that the temperature of our oil is not raised suddenly. So you have heard of that you should not upside down the fridge. You should always carry the fridge in a straight manner whenever you transport from one house to another house. That is because of this compressor will leak the oil when you take it to the other side, right? Okay, let us come into the part where we are cooling. So we have a provision for cooling our vegetables here, so that we can keep the vegetables as well as milk, whatever the items you want to preserve that is perishable in this container. This container, the basic phenomenon of refrigeration is to abstract the heat from the body. Okay? That is what we have explained in the initial part of the speech. Am I right? So we have to extract the heat from the part which is to be cooled, so that it maintains its own temperature and it will not decay as much soon as possible, right? So here we have a condenser here and we have a compressor here. A compressor which compresses low vapor, right, into a high pressure vapor, and the condenser is nothing but a device that converts vapor into liquid. And we have a pump that goes through the circuit and it comes to the evaporator. So evaporator, we have high pressure fluid. So that again extracts heat from the body and it starts becoming vapor again. So that heat is radiated to the atmosphere through condenser. So this is the cycle that is happening in this refrigeration test tube, right? Okay. So whenever you are taking so much of heat outside, there may be a possibility of extracting the nutrients also, right? So for example, your body is maintained at a temperature of 95 to 96 Fahrenheit. Suppose if your body temperature rises, what will happen? So you will start telling that I am feeling from